Let's talk. You're really gonna get Momo now.
Try it.
Let's go. Andrew's trying to get Momo. Let's go. Let's go. Andrew.
Don't get me.
No play.
Dude, you're gonna leave red marks. I think you already did.
Let's check.
Can somebody put on their light? Like from their phone? Put on your light, someone.
Stop,
boy.
seriously. Stop.
No cover sign.
Fine. I'm getting out of here.
You're in Momo's territory?
You're gonna only.
Dude.
No.
Oh,
No.
no, I'm gonna go to his boyfriend.
Do you want?
I have a boyfriend.
No. He wants me to for Chris to chop off my balls and then.
Yo, are
like,
you recording this?
Like give it to.
Stop it.
Boyfriend.
Help me. Let me out. Andrew. Let me out.
No. No. We're in this together, Chris.
I will hit you with this cord right here, right now. Let me out now.
Bow bow.
Don't talk.
We're in Momo's territory.
Let me out now.
Boy.
We're in Momo's territory.
Alright, let's go downstairs.